I have a League of Legend unboxing video. This won't be 10 minutes long, but please leave this a like and share it with your friends. We will open the first one. The open. Let's see what we get. Oh, this sweet animation. It's slow. Queen Ash skin shard.
Oh, so you're getting some Ash skins.
Let's go, my dude.
But you have to get like about 20 of those things. It's insane.
Oh, 800 orange essence.
Yeah, those, they're kind of worthless unless you know what to do with them, which I don't. And they are kind of worthless. I think you could buy something in the shop with them, but you're gonna need like thousands of them.
Definitely not a ward skin shard. Okay, time to open the other one. Let's go. Opened. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ash. Champion shard. What's that mean? What does that mean?
Champion?
Yes.
Shard. That means, I guess you can get that champion or something?
Oh, cool.
Wait. Ash?
Yeah. Garen champion shard.
Garen.
Sanguine Garen skin shard. What else? Ooh, even more. 100 blue essence? Is that it? Upgrading shards. You just opened a special chest with extra loot to try out the system. It includes 2 champion shards and skin shard. We've also given you enough essence to currently unlock one of them right now by clicking on it in the loot inventory and selecting upgrade. Upgrade. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, what? No way. Trey.
What?
Queen Ash, skin permanent, unlocked. Yes, let's go.
How?
Let's go. Champions loot. Dang it. Should I get rid of the Garen champion shard? Minus 60 upgrade to champion permanent, or I can just re-roll. Which one? Which one?
I'm not sure. Oh man, so I need 3?
What?
Oh, nothing. I was just checking something.
What should I do?
I'm not sure.
I'm gonna re-roll. Let's see. Oh. Never mind.
I only have one key. They drop randomly after a match. Only got one. I'm playing games like crazy.
Dude, this is this is cool. Garen, champion permanent unlocked. Let's go, my dude. Should I keep the definitely not a ward skin shard?
I don't know.
If I disenchant it, it'll give me 213 orange shards.
But why would you want the orange shards?
So I can unlock the Sanjuine Garen. Should I?
But I don't even what? Just do what you want, man. I don't really know.
Disenchant. And then skin for Garen. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Goodbye, everyone.